Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The January 2026 Security Update KB5074109 for Windows 11 caused major issues for many users. Attempting to uninstall it may fail with error 0x800F0905, leaving the system in a broken state. If you haven't installed it yet, the safest approach is to pause updates until Microsoft fixes the problem. Personally, I recommend disabling automatic updates and installing updates manually once they are safe. First, I will show you how to temporarily pause Windows updates, and then I will show you how to disable them permanently. To pause Windows 11 update temporarily, click the Start menu and open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Windows Update. And then click Pause Updates. This stops automatic updates temporarily, letting you install updates manually later. Now let me show you how to disable updates permanently. To disable updates permanently, open Run by press Win+R and type services.msc. Press Enter. Scroll to Windows Update. Double-click Windows Update. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Stop if the service is running, then apply OK. That's it. You now know how to pause or completely disable Windows 11 updates, so you can stay in control and avoid problematic updates like KB5074109. Remember, it's always a good idea to create a system restore point before manually installing updates, so you can keep your system safe. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows tips and tech tutorials. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover other Windows 11 tricks and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.